Hi guys, welcome to this unbox and review. Here today we have the Google Home. This is the Italian version because I am Italian, and this is the white and gray because Google Italy sell only this model. This is a smart device. It includes Google Assistant. It is the core, the heart of this device. You can open it gently removing the two stickers on the bottom. Then you have to slip up the cover, and here there is the box containing your Google Home. The box is very nice, very well made, and is made for see immediately your Google Home after you open it. As you can see, there is your Google Home in the center of the box. You remove it and you can see really good finished texture on the bottom where there are the speakers. There is the mute button on the back and the Google logo. And on the top there are the two microphones and the lettering that will show up some colors when you command it. On the bottom there is the rubber for taking firmly where you put it and the power plug. Under the plastic holder there is some initial guide with a nice hole for your fingers to raise up the instruction guide. Google Home is a smart assistant for your home. You have some basic instruction like what's the weather, what I have to do today, raise up the volume, raise up the temperatures in my house, turn the light off. Lots of basic things that Google Home make very good. If you want something more, the usual reply is sorry, I don't understand. You have to use the right words it wants to listen. At the beginning you have some training to use it well. It is also a smart speaker, not the best quality by the way, it's in the middle range. The power plug is flat and it's always good to have a flat cable for your power because you can hide better. You plug in the power and then you can start to install it with the Google Home app with your smartphone and your Google account. What I think about Google Home is nice, it's really easy to use it, it's a really nice app if you have other small device in your home. It's an app, it's integrated and can control like almost all of your smart devices, and it's really good to organize them, to make routines like hey Google, good morning, and the lights up everywhere. It tells you the weather, it tells you what you have to do, what your task, and some basic stuff like this. You can also say hey Google, good night, and it turns everything down. The integration also with Chromecast is good, but nothing out. Really, I expected more because the two devices are from Google and I expect more interaction from them, but the interaction is still very basic, like okay Google, show me this show on Netflix on Chromecast. Usually you have to call your devices with small name, like okay Google, show me that on Netflix on TV, and you call your Chromecast TV because it's short. Also the reply from Google Home, they are boring, like hey Google, rise up your temperature. Hey, I raised up your temperatures on your Nest living room device. Or, okay Google, turn up the light. Okay, I have turned up the light on 3 devices on your home. It's a little boring. Change a little bit. Tell me, okay, stop. Let's take some few examples. Hey Google, turn the lights on. And it turns the light on. Okay Google, turns the lights off. And it turns the lights off. Simply. Let's see with our Nest living room device. Okay Google, raise up the temperatures to 20 degrees. Okay Google, turns down the temperatures to 14 degrees. And it goes down. It's Christmas, by the way, and you can also make something like this. Okay Google, turn up my Christmas tree. Merry Christmas to you guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, write down in the comment what you think about Google Assistant, Google Home, and all the others competitors like Alexa, Apple, HomeKit, and see you next time. Bye guys.